Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to connect and pair AirPods to your iPhone in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To connect your AirPods, first unbox them from the packaging but leave the AirPods within the case for now and then switch your attention to your iPhone. Make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Now bring your AirPods case very close to your iPhone and open the top of the case, still leaving the AirPods inside. Wait a second or two and look on your iPhone screen for the AirPods message. Tap on Connect and now you can learn about some of the features of your AirPods. You could tap on Skip, but either way you'll make it to the next setup page. These setup pages and some of the settings later will vary depending on the model of AirPods you have. You may now have the option to set up Siri. To do this, tap on Setup and then read out the 5 phrases. There are now a few more pages of settings to go through. Feel free to set these up now or do it later. For example, you can set up personalized spatial audio or turn on adaptive mode. Once you've made it through these pages, put in your AirPods and it should now say AirPods connected at the top. To change the settings whilst connected, open the control center and then long press on the volume slider. Here you can choose your noise cancellation settings, enable or disable conversation awareness, or enable or disable spatial audio when playing sound. You can of course also change the volume. To see even more settings, open the Settings app and then tap on your AirPods, which should be an option near the top of this page when your AirPods are connected. That's how to connect and pair AirPods to your iPhone in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.